Hey guys, hope you're alright. Today was a better day than last week. I passed an evaluation account, but I lost a couple, and this is due to the fact that I reviewed a bunch of my losing days from YouTube. Because at the end of the day, that's what my YouTube channel is about. It's a digital journal, so I can reflect on my mistakes. So I found out some interesting things and weaknesses in my trading, and I noted it down, and I want to improve upon them moving forward. And yeah, give you some examples. I only want to trade previous day price action and previous day value areas during the London session. I want to only take responsive trades during the New York session, and that should decrease the probability of me losing trades. And I want to avoid taking continuation or momentum-based trades and accept risk and let the trade hit take profit or stop loss. And yeah, don't enter trades without confluence or just based on intuition. And when I passed the eval, I respected these rules, but you'll see that I didn't follow the rules all throughout the day, and I bought a couple evals to trade, and those evals were, lost because I didn't respect the rules. But let's start the day and see how the day unfolded. So the first trade that I took was actually a continuation trade, a trade that I said that I'm not going to take, and it was just based on the fact that London was so aggressively moving down, and yeah, I just entered at the bottom of the move. I don't know how, and yeah, the price just reversed from here, and I think I was just unlucky with this trade. But yeah, it's a setup that had no confluence, was only based on momentum, and I lost it. And this trade actually was the trade that I took that won the account, that passed the eval, but I misrecorded the screen, and you can see here it's a rejection from the 50 SMA, and we hit it both on ES and NQ at the same time, and I took this trade for 200 something ticks, and I passed the evaluation in one trade with 3 contracts here. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about this trade. It was all that I could have asked for today. And yeah, I've been patient for this trade. I waited for this trade, and yeah, it worked out. So you can see in the bottom right that I passed an evaluation. So I bought another evaluation account, and now we rejected from the view up. We closed the 1 minute candle below the view up, and I placed my stop loss above the high. And I was $1,000 in profit, but I honestly was expecting a bigger retracement, because if you look at the CVD, you can see the delta is kind of bearish all throughout, moving higher into the view up. So I thought that, yeah, if we lose that CVD line, we're just going to retest the New York Open. But yeah, from here, I was $1,000 something in profit, and we just pushed higher, and I just, lost this trade. And I don't know, I think if I'm going to start from zero in the next trade, that means that this evaluation is blown here in one trade. And it was just a short trade with 3 contracts, and I could have taken profit, but yeah, I thought we were going to see a continuation or a bigger reaction on that trade, so I didn't want to close for partial profits, because I was trying to pass the eval in one trade. And yeah, the market presented us with the volatility and the opportunity to do just that, and I wanted to take advantage. So here, I was trying to catch this bounce from the 50 SMA, but I look at the CVD, it's really bearish. I should have taken that into account, and we also, I just didn't win that trade, so it was a loser. So now I decreased my position size to 1 contract. This is a responsive trade based on the 24 EMA. I wanted to place my stop loss a little bit lower. Let's see what happens. So at this point, I lost $1,000 on the second evaluation. So I placed my stop below the low in confluence with the daily very high. And yeah, now I'm imagining if we're going to bounce from here from the 24 EMA, this is a responsive trade. This is the trade that I planned to take at the beginning of the day. I'm just going to compound into this trade, and I'm going to make some money. So right now I'm getting filled on my buy stop orders. So now my long position is getting compounded. You can see here that I tried moving the stop loss higher. That wasn't the best idea, but now I'm trying to get out of the position, and that was the right idea. So now I'm positive $800 on that second evaluation account. And not long afterwards, I take another continuation trade, the momentum trade, the trade that I specifically said at the beginning of the day that I'm not going to take. Here, I'm taking it again. And yeah, this was just one of those trades that I really need to learn how to unlearn to take them, because this is one of those trades that worked a couple of times when I took this trade in the past. And yeah, it's usually not the highest probability, it's just based on momentum, and it's only working in certain situation. And I really need to stop doing it, because you can see, even though we're moving higher and I re-entered the same trading idea, the fact that we went lower first and retested the 24 EMA, I should have entered on that entry and put my stop below the previous candle low if I wanted to enter. But now you can see that, yeah, this trade is just basically a big loser now, and with the volatility. And now I'm trying to compound this trade, and I compounded this trade. But yeah, this is just a recipe for disaster, because I should have just got out of this trade right now. And yeah, this trade started as a mistake, and I compounded the mistake because I believed in that trading idea. And it's just me convincing myself that we're going to see continuation. And you can see here that I'm minus 900 from positive 700. So now we bounced from the 50 SMA, and then again I entered this continuation trade. So yeah, even though I said I'm going to take only base hits or responsive trades, I didn't. And that's what I have to work on moving forward, because when I take those trades, I do well and I do good, and the probabilities are on my side. But when I take this type of trades, yeah, it's just a gamble, and it's basically me deciding when to exit based on how much I lose. And that's always a recipe for disaster, because yeah, you can see here that I'm holding trades way longer than I should have. And yeah, this is how I finished the day. So I passed an eval because I took a really good trade at a really good time, and then I made some money on the second evaluation, but I lost it again because I took trades that weren't in my playbook and that I shouldn't have taken. And yeah, that's the idea moving forward. Looking back to this day, just do more of the things that work and less of the things that don't, and I should be able to go to a payout with this PA that I just got to today. So yeah, this is me. Thanks for tuning in, checking with me and my journey. I'll catch you next time, and yeah, man, peace out. Have a good one.